Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan arrived in Jeddah on Monday on the first leg of a three-state Gulf tour, with business and investment at the top of the agenda. The Turkish president is leading a massive delegation of government ministers and officials, and about 200 business leaders, investors, and company owners. He was received on Monday evening by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman and met with several Saudi ministers and officials. The pair discussed bilateral relations and ways to enhance cooperation in all fields, in addition to the latest regional and international developments. Both the leaders attended the signing of several agreements in the fields of energy, defense, industries, research and development, direct investment, media, as well as two contracts with Turkish company Baker. Erdogan's visit to Saudi Arabia will be followed by trips to the UAE and Qatar, with business forums taking place in all three countries. Our primary agenda will be joint investment and commercial activities with these countries, the Turkish president said. Trade between Türkiye and Saudi Arabia announced amounted to $6.5 billion last year and reached $3.4 billion in the first half of this year. Turkey's trade with all the Gulf states has shot up from $1.6 billion to about $22 billion in the past 20 years. With business forums to be organized, we will look for ways to move this figure much further, Erdogan maintained.